Welcome everybody to my next video. Today I was thinking I need some guidance for this one stock that I invested in. It's been going up already like for 2 to 3%, but I want to make sure or be more sure about the direction of the price. Because it fell a lot before I bought it. But still I'm curious, will it just go up after this dip in which I bought it, or I need some guidance for that. And I was thinking I want to have like a database full of prices, like this complete price history. I know you can keep on querying this API, of course, like this YFinance API that I'm using, but wouldn't it be nice to have all these prices in the database? I'm actually thinking now I want these prices rounded into the database. Let me see. So I have these prices here, and here there's a string already, get prices. So let's see. I'm gonna do some stuff with the AI. Why use my own brain for that, right? Yes, those days are gone, I guess. So I want, let's say nice, I want to have these prices rounded. Please remake this function. Let's see what he comes up with. Right. He says rounded prices. But yeah, there's some differences here. Get prices, symbols, periods, so this is all the same. Then he comes up with rounded prices. Yeah, like that. Then he's doing the rounded prices over here. So yeah, like these small fixes, the AI can do that quickly and efficiently. So that's what we like. Let me just check something. Okay, and I'm gonna do a little run. Yeah, I'm gonna check the database myself. Okay, let's do a run now. No errors, hopefully. Let's see. No errors over here. And then I have it. Okay, it's rounded. Yeah. Yeah. .2, so it's got like 2 numbers after the comma, like 2 decimals. And I'm gonna run it again because I don't want them decimals over there. Yeah. Okay, now I got this stuff rounded. I know there might be a better way to, instead of do these prices and trying to get a match later on, that's of course what I want, do this percentage gain or reduction, but that's for another time. On the other hand, yeah, maybe that's an idea. We have to do that now already. And then it's rounded. Yeah, it's rounded, and we want let's try that. So nice. I want not the rounded. Want the rounded prices anymore, but the percentage gain percentage gain plus / minus into the comma separated string. You remake that. So let's see. What does he make of this? Changes. Yeah, so you got these prices again, and then I say percentage changes, and then he wants like a function for that. Okay, nice. Moving quickly. Let me see. Percentage changes. Changes string. Yes, and then he's going to like this. Commit, close, close. Okay, so just gonna check this. Yeah, minus 0.52. So now I want that around it. I guess we can put around here. Percentage changes. This is 1. I guess we want that here. Like this. With a 1 decimal. Let's run that again. Come on, we don't want to break this beautiful API, so let's do 1 month. So it's 0.4 minus 0.7. Right, and if I want some extra decimal, so I'm just gonna do a little snippet. Refresh over here. Yeah, so it started with 0.37 and minus 0.68. Let's forget these decimals and have some extra fun finding matches in this big sea of data. So let's see. So this is for 1. So let's see if I can do a little loop through all them symbols. Is it sleep? I don't know. Yes, we need this time function. Right. So, I'm not going to do that today because, yeah, wait, I'm going to do this differently. What is happening? Maybe some normal SQL. Is this bad practice? Single quote. Really? Yeah, so let's give me some time to react. And there we go. This is my symbols table. Okay. So no problem with that. That was quick and easy. So I want to do this call over here. How does this work in Python? Like same as usual. So yes, like I want okay, let's just do this. I want to see both. I want to see the full row. I want to see that. And then let's overdo it a little bit. Say awk. Something like that. We just do 1 month. Yeah, let's do it like that because we want some speed and I don't know. Not sure if it's gonna work anyway. Okay, so basically I'm not gonna close the connection. Something like that. Not close the connection. You know? I don't know if it's really writing something. Yeah, It's writing something. Although it's not recorded over here, of course. Maybe 3 seconds later. We'll see that if it happens. Okay. Basically, I see this happening in the database. If I get some in the fix. So anyway, let's not care about that either. Okay, so how long are we going for already? Can I see this? Yeah, so this is getting too long. Like, let me see. So yeah, I will just do an updated short version of this. So I made this cursor close. Do we need that over here? Just in the end, right? Not closing any cursors. I'm not gonna do that. So the Mexican is here. Also nice. $38. Fix is doing a 38% gain at day number 5. No way. So anyway, that's that. So I will run this soon, and then I will get these price changes in my database. You see this over here, and like this. Well, I hope you learned something from this. Well, you've seen me learning something. I hope you enjoyed it also, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you and bye bye. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Well, there's enough to comment. Please do. Bye.